Good evening, guys. I'm going to make another video presentation. This is about the same as what I did recently about practicing of the remaining cargo to load by using the loading sequence. So this one will be practice number 2. So we'll continue to do this thing until I've run out of loading sequence or loading plan. So let's start, guys. This is a actual loading plan or loading sequence which is from the vessel Cape Odyssey. This is my recent vessel. This is a capesize vessel, and the actual loading of this vessel is on April 4, 2012 at Port Walcott, Australia, and the cargo is iron ore and to be discharged in Gwangyang, South Korea. Okay, the total cargo to load is 205,900 metric tons, and the dock water at loading port is seawater of 1.025. Okay, so you have here the load rate, and we have the number of loaders, one load, and this is now the sequence. Okay, as I previously explained, this is the pour, this cargo hold, and this is the amount of cargo to be loaded in each hold. This is the ballast operation, and this is the drop. Okay, arrival, berth, drop. You have the forward, up, bending moment, shearing force, the air drop, the mid drop, and the trim. Okay, so the pour goes until number 20. Okay, and the cargo hold starts with the odd numbers 35719. Okay, then you have the 735. So these are the amount of cargo to be loaded in each cargo hold, the ballast operation, and so forth. Now, let's say for example that the loading operation is already on progress, and again the chief officer has written in his night order book that upon reaching pour number 18 and upon completion loading in number 4, hold number 4 of 10,600, the duty officer will advise the foreman that it's time to stop the operation, or the foreman will advise the duty officer that he will stop the operation so that the chief officer and the drop surveyor will make a drop reading around the vessel, forward and up and mid, port and starboard, to compute for the remaining cargo to load for trimming. Okay, but according to the plan, the trimming hold is hold 8 and 2, and each hold, the remaining cargo to load is number 8 is 2,500, hold number 2 is 2,500 with a total of 5,000. Okay, assuming that the chief officer and drop survey has completed drop reading, and they both agree that their readings, the readings forward is 17.77, and the reading up is 1796. Okay, and the mid drop, they both agree that the reading is 1787 and the trim is 19. So with this juncture, we will now apply the program, okay? Because we are going to compute for the remaining cargo to load for trimming, okay? So this is the vessel, Cape Odyssey, and we go to our program, which is this one. So this is the vessel, Cape Odyssey, okay? Then we go to form number 6. Form number 6, which is how to find trim when handling several moderate weights, okay? So how much is our initial forward drop? Initial forward drop is how much? I already highlighted it, guys, so that it's very easy to see. Forward drop is 1777. So put here 17.77, and the updraft is 1796, okay? So 1796, 17.96, and the main drop would be, present main drop would be 1787, and the trim is 0.19. You have the LCF, MTC, and TPC. So take note of this, main drop and the trim. Main drop and the trim. Main drop is 17.87, and the trim is 0.19 or 0.19. Okay? So it's correct. So the actual midport reading should be, let's say, 1787. 17.87, and the mid starboard actual reading is 1787. Okay, for example, there's no list. And how much is our departure drop? Our departure drop, according to our plan, is even keel of 1823. Okay, 1823 forward, up, mean, and zero trim. So 1823. So our departure drop is 18 meters, 23 centimeters. Okay. So once you put your departure drop, by the way, the initial density at berth was 1.025, and upon completion of loading is also 1.025, our density or local density. So once you put your departure drop here of 1823, you will get your sinkage. So how did you get the sinkage? Your final mid drop minus your mid drop is 0.36, okay? Again, 1823 minus 1787, that will be 0.36, okay? And how did you get this recommended cargo to load for trimming? Click this one. Then you will have this formula. This formula will be K8, which is K, and row 8, that will be your 0.36, which is your sinkage, times M3, this is M, and row 3, that will be your TPC of 138.71 times 100. Again, to get this value, your sinkage multiplied by your TPC times 100, then you will get 4993.6. Okay? So there's a one way, just, okay, first follow this arrow, then type this figure. So make it run up, 4994. So once you put 4994, the results after loading this amount, your departure drop will be 18.23, which is the same with your loading plan. And your sinkage is 36, which is the same here. And there's another formula of getting the sinkage: weight over TPC over 100. So your weight is 4994 divided with your TPC of 13871, then divide by 100, you will get the sinkage of 0.36. So this is first sinkage, second sinkage, and the third sinkage will be this one. Since you know already your weight of 4994, so you put here 4994, and at the next column you put your initial TPC from your initial drop of 138.70, which is this one. So your weight of 49994 divided by 138.7, that will be 36. Divided by 100, that will be 36. Okay, that will be your sinkage. So your present drop is 17.87, your mid drop or your departure drop, plus your sinkage of 36, then your final mid departure will be 1823. Okay, your target for trimming or amount of trimming is 4994, and the recommended is 493.6, so difference of 0.14. Okay, so follow this arrow. Actual cargo to load for trimming, put this M, another M, I will save it. Then go to trim holes 2. You go to trim holes 2. This is your trimming with 2 holes. Take note of the remaining cargo to load for trimming: 4994, the initial drop, mid drop, and your trim, the MTC, LCF, and TPC. Take note of your trimming hold. How much is your trimming hold? Trimming hold is 2 and 8. Okay, 2 and 8. Go back to the program. So you put here 2, hold number 2, and number 8. Okay. Then scroll down. Take note, guys, when you press this number 2 and 8, it will automatically register this one, 2 and 8, and here 2 and 8. For example, if your trimming hold is 1, put here 1, okay, and the other one is 9, and they will change the trimming hold to 9 and 1, and the amount to be loaded is 9 and 1. So let's go back to the original, which is 2. Press 2, then press 8, and go back to hold 8 and hold 2. Now we have no trim because according to our plan, according to our plan, is even kill of 1823 and 0 trim. So our trim would be 0. So you put 0. And he will recommend how much to load in hold number 2 and number 8. So in number 2, he recommended, the program would recommend 2461. So we put here 2461. 2461. And number 8 will be 2533. 2533. Then our departure drop would be forward will be 18.23, up drop will be 18.23, 0 trim, mean will be 0.23. Our mid is 18.23, mean is 18.23, it is 0 reflection of our sum because of this 0048, okay? Then you go back to hold number 6. Take note of this amount of cargo to be loaded in 2 and 8. So 2461 and 2533. So you go back to form 6, scroll down. Now, in hold number 2, you will load 2466, 2461, and number 8 was 2533. 2533. So, you put here hold number 2 and 8, put the weight 2461 and 2533 number 8, and apply the LCG. Okay? Double check. LCG of number 2. LCG of number 2. Okay, LCG of number 2 is negative 9196. And number 8 is 6750. Number 8 is 6750. So confirm. Then scroll down. Your departure drop would be forward 18.23, up drop is 18.23, zero trim, and your main is 18.23, and your deflection is 0. Okay? So you have your program number 1, form number 6, and number 2, trim 2 holes. Then we go by trim table. Okay? So trim table, the take note of the amount cargo to load will be 4994. Your cargo hold, trimming hold is 2 and 8, and the amount of cargo to be loaded. So in number 2 and 8, you apply the forward and up correction. Okay. So in number 2, what is the forward correction? You go to trim correction table. Then number 2. This is number 2. Select the drop nearest to your departure drop, which is 18 meters. So number 2 hold, forward correction is 2.3. 2.3. So put here 2.3. 2.3. And up correction is how much? Negative 0.8. So you have here negative 0.8. Negative 0.8. And number 8, hold, forward correction is how much? Forward correction, number 8, scroll down. And number 8, forward correction is negative 0.4. Negative 0.4. Enter. And up correction is how much? 1.8. Okay, put here 1.8. Then you will get your drop departure. Okay. Take note that you are trimmed by the head. You have less drop here, more drop forward. So we adjust the up drop because you're trimmed by the head. So you adjust this one. Let's say 1.81. You're trimmed by the head. Adjust again. Add another one. Value. Put it to 182. You're still trimmed by the head. You make it 183. Now it's the same drop, but you're trimmed by the head. So adjust a little more. Make it 4. Still you are trimmed by the head. So add more. Now it's even kill, okay? Of 18.23, 0 trim, okay? Your deflection is 0. Now take note, we are not sure which cargo to load first here. Because if you're going to load first in hold number 2, you will be trimmed by the head. So it's wise that you will load first in number 8, hold number 8, so that you will have a trim on the stern. So I have here adjusted the cargo, and first we will load in hold number 8, then hold number 2. So number 8 cargo to load is 2533, which is this one. The forward correction is negative 0.04, same. Up correction is 185. Then hold number 2, the weight is 2461. The forward correction is 2.3, and up correction is negative 8.0. Okay? So, this is your initial drop forward and up. Once you have completed loaded hold number 8 of 2533, then your drop would be forward 1767 and up drop is 1843. So then you will load in number 2 with the amount of 2461. Once completed loaded 2461, then your final drop will be forward is 18.23, up drop is 1823, trim 0, and main drop is 23, and your deflection is 0. Okay? So, take note, their deflection is the same. So, we have now 3 programs. Form number 6, which is how to find trim when handling several moderate weights. Program number 2, trim 2 holds, which is trimming with 2 holds, and by trim table, trimming table. So that we have 3 programs. And the last one, which is form number 7, says how to find drop and trim when handling weights involving large changes in mean drop. Take note that the initial density at birth is 1.025. So our duct water density is 1.025 until completion. Okay? So put now the initial drop forward. Initial drop forward is 17.77. Put here 17.77, and our drop will be up is 1796. So put here 17.96. Okay, then you scroll down, put the weight of the cargo on each cargo hold. So we go to number 2. Number 2 is 2461. 2461. Okay. 2461. And number 8 is 2533. Okay. Put there 2533. Okay. Check the LCG of number 2. LCG of number 2 and 8. LCG of number 2 is negative 9196. Negative 9196. And number 8 is 6750. Number 8 is 6750. So that is your LCG. So it's confirmed. Then your departure drop would be forward is 1823, up is 1822, main drop is 1823, your trim is 0, and your deflection is 0. Take note guys, in departure drop, it is important that your main drop will be 1823. If you round it up, this should be 1823, and your main drop here is 1823. So you have programs. This for number 7, okay, which is how to find drop and trim when handling moderate weights involving large changes in mean drop. Then you have your trim table, okay. You have your even kill here, trim 2 holds. You have even kill here, and form number 6, you have even kill, okay. So I'm sorry. So you have met the requirements for departure of even kill, forward and up, or mean drop, and trim is 0. So this is your forward and up, and your mean drop is 1823, and your trim, okay? So right on target. Now I will show what is his recommended cargo to load is 5,000, 2,500. What happens is we put 2,500, 5,000, okay? Just to show you for example. You go to form 6, then 5,000 would be the same because only 6 tons difference, so it won't matter. So we are 6 tons less. Okay. Now this is only for Cape Cape Odyssey, which is designed for this loading plan. Now, for example, another vessel, a Cape-size vessel, which is Cape-size vessel, which is MV CPU Europe. This is also a Cape-size vessel, which my previous vessel also. Now we will apply the loading plan. We will apply this loading plan. Let's say is also loading in Port Walcott and to be discharged in Korea. So we'll just use this plan with a different vessel. Okay? So put it down. So we go to number 6. So what is the drop? 1777 forward. Okay, 1777, 17.77. Updraft is how much? 1796. So 17.96. Okay. Take note of the main drop and the trip and TPC. Okay. So make this 1787. Actual port mid 87, and starboard the same of 1787. I'm sorry. And our final departure drop is 1823. 18.23. Undo. Sorry. This will be 1823. 23 was minus So the sink gauge will be 36, okay? Scroll down. Take note, DS now a different recommended cargo to load for trimming is 4469. So you put here, wrote it up, 4469. Okay? So what happens if you load 4469? The departure drop, mid drop is 1823, which is the same with your departure here, and your sink gauge is the same with this 036. And here's another formula of getting the sink gauge, okay? Then, go up. Take note of the weight, 4469. 4469, you put it here. The TPC of the initial drop is 123.42, which is this one. 4469 divided with your TPC is 36, divided by 100, that will be 36. So that will be 0.36, okay? So your present drop of 1787 plus your sink gauge of 36 plus add this one, that your final departure will be 1823, okay? The recommended is 4468 and the actual load to be loaded is 69, which is 0 or difference of, put these two, so you will see, there you go. So difference of 0.3, okay? Then this is aqua to load for trimming, then trim go to 3 holes 2. Take note of the weight, 4469. The trimming hold is how much? Trimming hold is 8 and 2. Okay. Go CPO. Put here 8 and 2. Okay, put here 2. I'm sorry, 2 and 8. Okay. Scroll down. You have no trim, 0 here. And how much you are going to load in number 2? Number 2 is 2129. So put here 2129. 2129. And number 8 will be 2340. 23, round it up, 2340, and your departure drop is even keel of 1823. Deflection is 0. Okay. Go back for number 6. Take note of your 2 and 8, 2129, which is this one, and 2340. 2340, apply it here, and your departure drop would be even keel of 1823 forward, up 1823, trim 0. Mean is 1823. If you round it up, then you have 0 deflection. So this 1, 2, then we go to the trim table. Okay. Take note of the 4469, cargo to load. Okay. Apply the amount, the cargo hold, the amount, and your forward correction. So forward correction for this vessel, okay, this is MBCV. Hold number 2 forward correction is 2.3. Forward is 2.3. And up correction is how much? Negative 0.8. That will be negative 0.8. Take note, guys, this is another vessel. And hold number 8. Scroll down. Hold number 8. Port correction is negative 0.4. Negative 0.4. And up correction is how much? 1.8. Okay? Almost the same. 1.8. Then let's see the departure drop. So, big difference. You are now trimmed by the stern. So we'll adjust this forward. So adjust this forward correction, hold number 2. We make that 4. Take note, it's increasing. 18, 19. Make this 2.5. Add a little more. 2.6. Now, it's 18.23. So, we will adjust now the up. You're now trimmed by the head. Okay? So, adjust the up. Or hold number 8. Up, correction. So, we had to add this one. So, let's say this 1.81. Enter. No changes. You're trimmed by the head. So, adjust again. Add, make it 182. Still, so you add again 183. Nothing changes. Add again 184. Two more. 185. Trim by the head. A little more. 186. Another more. 187. 186. Sorry, 186. Make it 187. Now, even kill, okay? And zero trim here. Sorry, zero deflection, okay? Then in number 8, take note of the amount. Number correction, the same, and then what happens if you load number 8 and number 8 first and number 2? Your departure drop here is even kill of 1823, main is 1823, and deflection is 0. So the same. So we have 3 programs now. For number 6, trim 2 holds. Okay. Even kill, and by trim table, you have even kill. Then the 4th one is for number 7, which is this one. So what is your drop forward? Is 17.77. 17.77, and up drop is 1796. Okay, 1796. 17.96. Okay. Then what is how much you load in number 2? Number 2 is 2129. 2129 number 2. 2129. 2129. Okay. And number 8 is how much? 2340. Put here 2340. Take note of the LCG of number 2. Number 2, scroll down. Number 2 is negative 92854. Negative 92854. Okay, and number 8 is 6433. Number 8 is 6433. Okay, confirm. And your departure drop is less, until less, 18 forward, 18.2 to 18. Okay, and you have here 0 deflection. At least just one, at least your mid drop should be 18.22. But at least you have 3 programs to back you up for number 6, trim 2 holds and trim table. Okay? Now, this is our second vessel. Now we go to the third vessel, which is the Cape United. So this is also a Cape-size vessel, Cape United. Then we go to form number 6. Again, how much in hold number 1? How much you drop forward? Is 17.77. Put here 17.77. And updraft is 1796. Put here 17.96. Okay. Then your main drop should be 1787. 17.87. 17.87. And your final departure drop is 1823. 18.23. Okay. So this is the recommended cargo hold for trimming, which is 4968. So scroll down, then you put here 4968. 4968. Okay. Okay. 4968. Take note, the cargo is 4968. Your initial TPC is 138. Divide this with TPC of 36, divide by 100 will be 36. Sinkage. So your present drop is 1787. Your sinkage is 36. Your final made is 1823. Okay. Your target drop is 4960, and upon target, this should be 4968. I'm sorry, 4968. Then let's see, and your target would be 4968. Your recommended is 4968. Then you have 0 difference. Then you go to trim holds 2. Trim holds 2. Make this a little bigger. Your initial drop here, your main drop, trim, and your MTC, LCM, TPC. Then you go down. Your trim would be 0 because even kill. And how much you are going to load in hold number 2. Number 2 is 2424. Right here. 2424, enter. Then number 8 is 2544. 2544. Run it up. And your departure drop is even kill. Forward is 1823. Up drop is 1823. Trim 0, main drop is 1823, and 0 deflection. So we go by trim table. This is the third program. Take note of the trimming is trimming cargo to load is 4968. 4968, okay? And the cargo to load is number 2 is 2424, 8 is 2544. What is the word correction on hold number 2? Hold number 2, the word correction is 2.3. 2.3. 2.3. And up correction is negative 0.8. So, negative 0.8. And number 8, you go to hold number 8. Number 8 forward correction is negative 0.4. Okay. Negative 0.4. And up correction is 1.8. So put here 1.8. 1.8. Scroll down. Take note of your even can take note your updraft is less. So you add your updraft. Adjust the up correction. You put add 181. Then you're now even keel. Take note of your deflection is 0038. Okay. Deflection. Okay. We will try to reduce this one. We can reduce. Okay. 38. Make it A2. A2. Take note of 0038. Okay. I think that's fine. 38. Okay. Then we try to make it a little more adjust. Make it A3. 26. 13. But you are trimmed by the stern. So make this one A2. Then even keel. Okay. Then we go trim 2 hoods. Make this yellow. Make this yellow. Okay. Then here even keel and main drop deflection is 0. Okay. Then our last program, form 7. Okay. Your density is 1.25. Forward 17.77. 17.77. Updraft is 1796. 1796.96. Okay. Then put your weight here. Number 2. Number 2 is 2424. So 2424. And number 8 is how much? 2544. Put here 2544. Check the LCG. LCG of number 2 is 9196. 9196. Number 8 is 6750. 6750. Number 8. Okay. And your departure drop is even keel. Okay. And your main is 1823. 0 trim and 0 deflection. What important guy here is your mean drop of 1823. That's all matters. Regardless of your drop forward and up here, this is what matters more is 1823. Okay? Now, again, I want to emphasize, take note of this number 6, this initial displacement. Take note of this formula, guys. This is very important. I will highlight this one. Okay, I will highlight this to think this one. Okay? This is your initial displacement. Take note of the formula J4, which is the 10, J4, which is J4. This should be H4, okay? J4. J14, I'm sorry. J14 is displacement, okay? J14 times H4 times your density here. That's why you have H4 over the constant of 1.025. This is how you get your initial displacement. Okay? Again, the formula says J14, which is your tabulated displacement, times your density of H4 of 1.025 over 1.025. This is constant, guys. This 1.025. And another one, this displacement. Okay? Put this one. This is the reverse formula. This is H3, which is this one. Your total or your final displacement multiply 1.025 over J36, which is your density. Because sometimes this will change your density. This could be 1.23 or 1.023 or 1.024. Okay, that's why this J36 changes, but this one is constant at 1.025. So you put back to 1.025, then it goes to this drop of this one. And the initial, take note of H4, the density. This is H4. You can also change this one. Okay. If you make this 1.02, this one is constant, guys. This one. 1.025 is constant. If you make this H4 to 1.022, then the initial displacement will change. This one. If you put it back to 1.025, 1.025, undo. 1.025, undo. Then you still have this drop. Okay? I just want to emphasize this displacement, this formula. You see, it's the reverse. Instead of this one, we'll go at the end, like this one. See, here. But on the other side, this 1.025 is in the middle. But final displacement times 1.025 over J36, which is this one. J36. Okay. Okay. So that's it, guys. So I'm just using 3 capsize vessels for practice. So if you have a more loading plan or loading sequence, the more the better. You can practice this one on board, at home, at your office, or wherever you are. But you have this loading plan and this program. It will be much easier for you to practice until you will have a self-confidence of doing so. Thank you for watching, guys. Hope you like it. If you like this video, please click the like button, share, and subscribe. And please don't forget to click the notification bell. Thanks for watching. Have good night.